contenders. They're trying to run down wins in 3 competitions and maybe, just maybe, go home as king of the beach. The very first driver I would like to introduce, debuting a brand new truck from DCT Power Sports on Friday. The coolest 3D concept ride ever devised and the brainchild of one of the boys in competition, the 20-year veteran. Please welcome Jared Beasley and Blockhead! Florida Team Throttle Monster, one of the original bad boys of Utah, running the Red Line Oil Ride, Michael Christensen and Fantana! A driver with a chance. A driver, well, if he can put together a Sunday afternoon, he could be king of the beach. It's Jack Brown and Dozer!
Oh, yeah.
From Bethesda, Maryland, running a light-up truck, it's Corey Snyder and Illuminator!
Oh, yeah.
And rounding out the field on the track right now, drive it like you stole it. Run it on the edge, Tim Jones Tailgater!
Woo!
Monster Truck fans, do you want more?
Of course I do.
A driver that has won King of the Beach title in the past. A driver that will leave it all on the track. He'll burn that thing to the ground for the fans in the stands. Please welcome Virginia Beach's own Steve Sampson and Stone Crusher. The 2-time reigning and defending King of the Beach, the guy that holds the George Carpenter Cup. He's the leader of the pack for DCT Power Sports. Trying to be King of the Beach on Sunday, Jerry Beckett. Dance one more time, make some noise for the stars of the show, your Monster Truck Drivers.
How about it? I think that's it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Racers, start your engines!
Woo! All the way up there. Look at that.
Hot bits in the north end of the racetrack. Alex in the
Oh!
from the fleet side.
What's he doing?
And it sounds
Junior's in this one. Let's go.
And anything there with 14 hopes
Oh!
and into the same fate as Dirt Crew. Hard into the backside of the racing
Oh,
lanes from the
man.
Rudies. Auto and truck parts out of Chesapeake. Hero running, turning towards.
Did you just make
the
it back?
ocean side.
I've been back, but I was a little late.
A little bit?
Hey, I got some guests coming.
What does that mean?
Short-
I don't know what that
Official
means.
score coming as well. Corey Steiner in Eliminator, Michael Christensen in Vendetta. Round number 1 of track racing. Roller, no man's land to the finish line club. Michael Christensen, Chevy fleet side, and Vendetta. To be the first to ever go back to back.
Okay. Am I retarded? What was that? There's no way you had it in reverse, right? it for Luminaire. It is. Look at it right there.
Score for Corey Summer.
Run. Exactly. I predicted it. going in the water.
Michael Christensen with another mechanical. It's going to shorten that freestyle run.
Gone.
Use a time 7 momentum.
Straight back. Oh no!
Roll the truck for the fans. Let's hear the Jerry
Period!
George Carpenter coming. King of the Beach title for Cherry Neck Dirt Crew.
3-time winner.
King of the Beach.
King of the Beach.
That will conclude this afternoon's event and finish out a tremendous 2023 running of Pumco Off-Road Monsters on the Beach presented by Eastern Truck and Accessories. Thanks so much to ongoing events, beach events, Patient First, Team Highness 4x4, Pumco Off-Road, and Eastern Truck and Accessories. Monster truck drivers will be up by the merchandise stand. We'll stand, sign autographs, deliver the once one gets one.
There's your
Ride
winner.
trips will continue for a while. Go get a ride on Jerry Backyard Dirt Crew.
Hell yeah!
May not be the way that you would want it because of the attrition that happened over the course of the weekend, but it's a long weekend. They all know it. You've got to get through it.
Yeah, you know, that is not what I wanted. I wanted some more big hits. I'm beside myself, you know. I want to thank all you guys for coming. You know, if you guys didn't come, we couldn't do this. If you didn't buy our stuff, our toys, those toys are a dream of mine when I started doing this. And I get a tear in my eye every time I see one, you know. The kids get excited. I built that new truck. I'm super excited about that. I got the best team in 9 years. I got the best wife. I got the best everything right now, man. I've tried so hard to improve myself, and I've tried to improve my team. I feel like I'm moving in the right direction. I'm really happy with everything. The Sims camp, they brought a machine out on Friday night to help me swap a motor, which I obviously didn't have to do. Those guys are top notch. Junior was standing on my truck at 2:30 in the morning. That meant the world to me. Just so much has happened that it's unreal. But you know, as bad as that freestyle was, I made every pass. I did everything. I got lucky. It takes luck to win here. I'm just rambling now, man, but I want to thank my guys, my wife, my dad's here. You know, what more could you ask for? It's a beautiful day.
Folks, a guy that deserved it. He actually made sure that he can win. He is King of the Beach, Jerry Dirt Crew. And now it's time to celebrate with the crew and the family. What a tremendous job. What an honor it's been to be part of the 24th Monsters on the Beach. Beautiful sunny downtown, Virginia Beach, Virginia. My name is Scott Heaton with Road Noise Entertainment. May the best of your past be the worst of your future. Until next time, see you.